Everyone, Trina here. Today we're working on another watercolor. I've got a piece of Arche cold press paper here laid down, a sheet of 5x7. I've drawn out some lines, and then I'm going to come in with this crayon. This is white Crayola crayon, and I'm just going to put some marks through here to kind of create a little bit of resist and see how that works. I've done this before, but we're going to see how it works. I think I'm going to put some up here as well. Okay, just a few lines. I discovered this woman named Lois, and I'll leave her link above, who's a watercolor artist, and she has these really dramatic, amazing skies. So I wanted to try it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some water here on our oval brush, and we're just going to lay down some water, which that doesn't seem very absorbent. We want a lot of water through here, and I don't want it everywhere. I just kind of want it. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm just going to kind of put it up here in some areas, sort of willy-nilly. And then we're going to work with, come in with the raw umber from the Schmincke set. Get a little bit more water here on my brush. I'm just going to make some marks here in the sky. We're going to see how this works. I'm a little nervous because I watched her do it and she made it look so easy, but I'm promising you it's not going to be that easy. Okay, so the key is a lot of water and to not overwork the paper. Now that's going to be the difficult part for me. So we're going to come in with, I've got, let's see here. I've got the cherry pit and the indigo, and then I'm going to add in a little bit of Payne's gray to make this pretty dark color here. I'm going to load that brush up, get it nice and juicy. Okay, I think we're good. And then we're just going to put down some more color. So we're going to make a very dramatic sky. That's our plan. I want more of that blue in there. Okay, we got a lot of color on there. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is spritz and tilt. It's maybe too much, but we'll see. Let me get a paper towel over here so we don't make a huge mess. Okay. Doesn't look great. Okay, I know we're not supposed to fuss, but I feel like I need more color in there. It wasn't looking right. Okay, let's do another spritz. And I'm gonna tilt forward this time. And then tilt a little bit this way. All right. And then we can go back in and just maybe take some of this color away, make some shapes in here to add some light. And then we're just gonna let this be. I'm gonna take that little bit out there. I mean, it kind of looks like what she did, but I'm not sure. I feel like it needs, okay, she said not to fuss, but I'm gonna fuss a little bit because I'm a fusser. I really wish it was darker. Okay, we're gonna, I feel like it needs a little bit more drama. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. Okay, so it's dry. Not as dramatic as I want it to be. So I'm gonna come in with a bit of the Payne's Gray and a little bit of dry brush. And I'm just gonna sort of swoop it around in here just to make it a little bit more dramatic. I feel like it was just sort of, I kind of want it to go like that. And then I want a really dark spot down here. Oh, that's a different color blue. That's okay. Okay, I like that much better. I know she said not to fuss with it, but you know what? Do I need some? I might need some black. Let's try a different black. Okay, I'm going to come in with a little bit of the grapeseed black. And I'm just going to put some, actually that probably needs to be a little wetter. A little thick. This has a little bit more of a purpley tint to it. I just want to bring that across maybe. I'm coming with this wet brush. Okay, I'm getting a little bit out of my, over my skis here. Let's do a little dab there. I don't want those. Okay. I think I'm fine with that. I'm gonna leave it. Now we're gonna put some of that umber color down here. Again, we're just trying out new things. I tried this in my sketchbook on another sheet of paper, and that paper is not built to withstand this technique. So that's why we're working on a piece of the arch today. I feel like there's something on here. Oh, the crayon. I forgot I put the crayon down. I'm like, why is it not working? Okay, so we did put the crayon resist down there, and it's working kind of fun. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of it through here, because it's kind of fun. I totally forgot. I'm like, why is it not going on? What's going on? Okay, so that's the umber color. Very nice. Let's do a little bit more through here. This is a good way to preserve white spaces too, so we don't have to worry about that. And we need another color through here. Maybe I've got the Schmincke desert yellow, and I'm gonna mix it up with a little Payne's Gray and make like a light green color to put just a little bit through here. Little dry brush, a little different technique. Oh, I'm liking it. It actually looks like something, and not just my crazy, more of the umber color. Let's come in and make some lines through here. It's totally working. Let's do, use the back of our knife here. Thanks for all the comments about staying cool in the weather. It's still, I think today we're at 97 degrees with a heat index of 110. So if you hear my air conditioner in the background, that is why, because it's still a million degrees here. Okay, I think I want a little bit more of that burnt umber color down here. And I'm going to keep this pretty simple. Like, I don't know. I think I'm going to add some of the rocky kind of texture that we added before. One of the things that I did notice about her work was that the sky was dark and then there were some dark pieces down below and it really made the middle part stand out. So let's let that dry and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, I'm going to add a bit more of the stencil. It just felt a little stuck on there. Just needs to come out just a little bit. There, I think that's better. Okay, we're gonna let this dry and then we'll add some crayons. So this is another sheet of deli paper. I've got this raw umber color here that we're gonna use to make some marks. I have been making you one of these every time because they tend to dry out. So I'm probably gonna run out of deli paper at some point, but that's okay. You want it pretty thick. Okay. And my crayon's getting a little messed up. Okay, let's come back in here to focus. I think before I put that down, I think we'll do some marks with the carbon paper. You can see I already made some marks into the paint there, but I kind of want to extend those a little bit. We've already got kind of some of them going down here. Because I think those are fun marks. Let's do a few more through here. Then I want these to go off this way, I think. Yes, love it. Okay. Oh, you're weird. Okay, I think I want some darker marks too. So let's do some. And then I kind of want to bring them down through here too. Okay, and then I think I want to put like a bit of the orange color just right on this edge. Let's see if we can make that happen. Oh, that's nice. Look at that mark. That's fun. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is come in just a little bit with this indigo ink tints. I'm just going to make a line right through there. I think we're done. Let's take the tape off and put a mat on it. I've not used this tape before. Oh, I like it with the, it looks so much more finished with the taped edge. I'm peeling up a little bit of the paper there. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be, I don't know if I'm still gonna sketch in the sketchbook, but I think working on nicer paper is definitely a plus. Okay, let me find a mat. Okay, so this mat is a 5x7 with a 4x6 opening, I believe. Or it's an 8x10 with a 5x7 opening. So if I were to frame this with this mat, this is what it would look like. We are losing a bit of the sides and a little bit of the top, but overall, I think it's very dramatic and very cool. I like how simple it was. I like how really the emphasis is right here in the middle. Really liking the using the crayon as a distress. I think that's really cool. Helps me to preserve white space and helps me not get too overbearing. You really need that white space in the work. The stencil also did that as well. Love the marks. I need to work on my skies though, guys. I need to work on it. I think it'd be really cool with that dark color with maybe like that pink haze color. So maybe we'll try that next time. But overall, I'm very happy with it. I think it's very nice. And thanks to Miss Louise for showing me a new way to make drama happen in my work. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.